Osaka, a name that echoes with vibrancy, history, and a spirit that never sleeps. Nestled in the heart of Japan's Kansai region, this city is a living, breathing tapestry of culture, innovation, and tradition. From the moment you set foot here, you can feel the pulse of something extraordinary. Just the name sparks a thrill, doesn't it? Osaka is more than just a destination. It's an experience that awakens your senses and stirs your soul. The people here radiate a warmth and excitement that's infectious, making every encounter memorable. It's 2025, and this Japanese metropolis pulsates with an energy that's simply contagious. The streets are alive with a constant flow of people, locals hurrying to work, friends meeting for late-night ramen, and visitors from around the world, all swept up in the city's dynamic rhythm. Every morning, the city awakens with a sense of purpose. Trains glide in and out of bustling stations, cyclists weave through narrow lanes, and the aroma of fresh coffee drifts from cozy cafes tucked between skyscrapers and centuries-old shops. The streets hum with the symphony of sound, laughter, chatter, the sizzle of street food. Vendors call out their specialties, inviting you to taste Osaka's famous takoyaki, or okonomiyaki, while friends gather at market stalls, sharing stories and savoring every bite. Food is at the heart of Osaka's culture. Here, every meal is a celebration, and every bite tells a story. Whether you're sampling piping hot street snacks or sitting down for a multi-course feast, you'll find that Osaka's culinary scene is as diverse as its people. As the sun sets, neon lights paint the night sky in a kaleidoscope of colors. Dotonbori, the city's iconic entertainment district, comes alive with glowing billboards, animated signs, and the laughter of people exploring its endless delights. Osaka is a city that truly comes alive after dark. The nightlife here is legendary. Bars, izakayas, and clubs buzz with energy, while street performers and musicians fill the air with music and excitement. There's a sense that anything is possible, and every night holds a new adventure. Whether you're singing your heart out at a karaoke bar or simply wandering the illuminated streets, you'll find yourself swept up in the city's infectious joy. Osaka's nights are as unforgettable as its days, but Osaka is more than just a feast for the senses. It's a city that celebrates life in every form through its festivals, its food, and its people. Every season brings new events, from cherry blossom viewings in spring to vibrant summer festivals that light up the city with music and dance. It's a city steeped in history, yet always looking ahead. Osaka Castle stands as a proud reminder of the city's samurai past, while nearby, sleek skyscrapers reach for the future. This blend of old and new is what gives Osaka its unique character. Ancient temples stand proudly alongside futuristic skyscrapers. The city's skyline is a testament to its resilience and ambition, a place where tradition and progress coexist in perfect harmony. Tradition and innovation walk hand in hand here. You might see a festival parade winding its way past glass towers, or locals in kimono sharing the sidewalk with tech-savvy entrepreneurs. In Osaka, the past is never far from the present. Osaka is a place where the old meets the new, and the result is simply electrifying. The city's energy is fueled by this constant interplay, creating a sense of excitement and possibility that's hard to find anywhere else. Here, innovation isn't just about technology, it's about creativity, community, and a willingness to embrace change while honoring the past. From cutting-edge research labs to centuries-old workshops, Osaka is a city that thrives on reinvention. The people of Osaka are the heart and soul of this incredible city. Their laughter fills the air, their kindness leaves a lasting impression, and their passion for life is truly inspiring. Known for their warmth, humor, and love of life, they welcome visitors with open arms. Conversations flow easily, and even a simple greeting can turn into a new friendship. Whether you're lost in translation or searching for the best local eats, the people of Osaka are always happy to help. Their generosity and hospitality are legendary, making every visitor feel like a part of the community. Life here is lived out loud, in the open, and with a sense of togetherness that's rare in a city of this size. From children playing in parks to elders sharing stories over tea, every moment is cherished. This is a city that embraces you, that draws you in and leaves you wanting more. Every street, every corner, every smile invites you to become a part of Osaka's story. The city's energy is magnetic and its charm is impossible to resist. So come, dear traveler, let me be your guide as we delve into the heart of Osaka, a city that promises an unforgettable adventure. Together, we'll explore its hidden gems, meet its remarkable people, and discover why Osaka is truly a city brimming with life. Osaka is a city that wears its heart on its sleeve, a place where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly in every corner. As you wander through its bustling streets, you can feel the pulse of a city that is both proud of its heritage and eager to embrace the future. The neon lights of Dotonbori reflect off the canal, illuminating the faces of locals and visitors alike, all drawn here by the promise of excitement, flavor, and discovery. And its soul, well, its soul is in its food. Nowhere is this more evident than in the sizzling pans of takoyaki vendors, the aromatic steam rising from bowls of ramen, and the laughter that echoes from every izakaya. Food in Osaka is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration, a way of life, and a language that everyone can understand. Known as Japan's kitchen, Osaka's culinary scene is a delicious adventure waiting to be explored. From Michelin-starred restaurants where chefs craft edible masterpieces with precision and artistry, to humble eateries that have been serving the same beloved recipes for generations, the city offers a spectrum of flavors that cater to every palate. Here, food is elevated to an art form, and every meal tells a story. But you don't need to spend a fortune to eat well in Osaka. The bustling street food stalls, or yatai, are the heart and soul of the city's food culture. These vibrant markets are alive with the sounds of sizzling grills, the shouts of vendors, and the chatter of hungry customers eager to sample local specialties. Osaka is a paradise for food lovers. Whether you're sampling kushikatsu, crispy skewers dipped in savory sauce, or indulging in okonomiyaki, the city's famous savory pancake, every bite is an invitation to experience Osaka's warmth and hospitality. Food here brings people together, turning strangers into friends over shared plates and lively conversation. But it's not just about the food itself, but the entire experience. The lively atmosphere, the passionate chefs who pour their hearts into every dish, and the open kitchens where you can watch your meal being prepared. All of these elements combine to create a dining experience that is uniquely Osaka. Eating here is a sensory journey, filled with sights, sounds, and flavors that linger long after the meal is over. The sheer joy of sharing a meal is what makes Osaka's food culture so special. It's about more than just eating. It's about connecting, celebrating, and making memories. Whether you're gathered around a table with old friends or striking up a conversation with a fellow traveler, the spirit of Osaka is always present, inviting you to savor every moment. But Osaka's charm extends far beyond its culinary delights. The city itself is a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and innovation. From the majestic silhouette of Osaka Castle to the modern skyline that stretches across the horizon, every view tells a story of resilience and reinvention. The city comes alive throughout the year with a vibrant tapestry of festivals. These celebrations are a window into Osaka's soul, where ancient traditions meet contemporary creativity. Streets are transformed into rivers of color and sound, filled with music, dance, and the aroma of festival foods. Witness the breathtaking beauty of the Tenjin Matsuri, one of Japan's most famous festivals, with its spectacular boat procession and fireworks display. The river glows with lantern-lit boats, and the night sky erupts in a symphony of color, drawing crowds from across the country and beyond. It's a celebration of Osaka's spirit, joyful, inclusive, and unforgettable. Or lose yourself in the energy of the Toka Ebisu Festival, a celebration of prosperity and good fortune. Here, thousands gather at shrines to pray for success in business and happiness in life, tying lucky charms and sharing hopes for the future. The air is thick with anticipation and excitement, a testament to the city's enduring optimism. Throughout the year, countless other festivals fill Osaka's calendar, each with its own unique flavor. From lively street performances to traditional dances, these events offer a glimpse into the heart of the community, where everyone is welcome to join the celebration. And let's not forget Osaka's forward-thinking spirit. This is a city that never stands still, always looking ahead to what's next. Young innovators and entrepreneurs are shaping the future here, blending creativity with technology to build a city that is as dynamic as it is welcoming. From its cutting-edge architecture to its pioneering technology, Osaka is a city that embraces innovation at every turn. Sleek skyscrapers rise alongside historic temples, and digital art installations light up public spaces, creating a landscape that is both futuristic and deeply rooted in tradition. Explore neighborhoods like Umeda, where the Sky Building offers panoramic views of the city, or Namba, where the latest trends in fashion and entertainment come to life. Everywhere you look, you'll find evidence of Osaka's commitment to progress and creativity. A visit to the Osaka Science Museum is a must, with its interactive exhibits showcasing the latest in Japanese innovation. Here, families and curious minds of all ages can explore the wonders of science and technology, gaining a deeper appreciation for the ingenuity that drives this remarkable city. As the sun sets over Osaka and the city lights begin to twinkle, you realize that this is a place where the past, present, and future coexist in perfect harmony. Whether you're here for the food, the festivals, or the forward-thinking energy, Osaka welcomes you with open arms and an open heart, inviting you to be part of its ever-evolving story. Even in a bustling metropolis like Osaka, moments of tranquility can be found if you know where to look. Amid the vibrant energy, neon lights, and constant movement, the city hides peaceful sanctuaries that offer a welcome break from the urban rush. Whether you're a local seeking a quiet moment or a traveler hoping to recharge, Osaka's relaxing havens are never far away. Escape the urban hustle and bustle in one of Osaka's many serene parks. These green spaces are scattered throughout the city, providing a breath of fresh air and a chance to reconnect with nature. Here you'll find locals enjoying a leisurely stroll, families picnicking on the grass, and friends gathering under the shade of ancient trees. The gentle rustle of leaves and the distant sound of birdsong create a soothing soundtrack, making it easy to forget you're in the heart of a major city. The sprawling grounds of Osaka Castle Park offer a tranquil escape, with stunning views of the iconic castle rising above the treetops. In spring, the park transforms into a sea of cherry blossoms, drawing visitors from near and far to witness the breathtaking beauty. Wide, peaceful paths wind through lush lawns and groves of trees, inviting you to wander at your own pace and soak in the historic atmosphere. Stroll through the serene gardens where carefully manicured landscapes and seasonal flowers create a sense of harmony and balance. The gardens are designed to encourage mindfulness, with winding paths that reveal new vistas at every turn. Pause to admire the delicate blossoms, listen to the gentle trickle of water from a nearby pond, or simply breathe in the fragrant air. Enjoy a peaceful boat ride on the moat, gliding past ancient stone walls and under graceful bridges. The gentle movement of the boat and the soft lapping of water create a meditative experience, allowing you to see the castle from a unique perspective. It's a perfect way to slow down and appreciate the beauty and history that surround you. Or simply relax under the shade of a tree, with a good book or your own thoughts for company. These quiet corners are ideal for unwinding, meditating, or even taking a peaceful nap. The gentle breeze and dappled sunlight create a calming environment, making it easy to let go of stress and recharge your spirit. Parks in Osaka are also wonderful places for families and friends to gather. You'll often see children playing near ponds, couples sharing a quiet moment, and groups enjoying homemade bento lunches on picnic blankets. These shared experiences add to the sense of community and relaxation that permeates the city's green spaces. For a taste of traditional Japan, visit the Sumiyoshi Taisha Shrine, one of the country's oldest and most revered Shinto shrines. Stepping through the Grand Torii Gate, you'll feel the city's energy fade away, replaced by a sense of reverence and calm. The shrine's unique architecture, with its straight roofs and vivid vermilion accents, stands as a testament to centuries of history and spiritual significance. Its peaceful atmosphere and beautiful architecture offer a welcome respite from the city's energy. Wander through the quiet courtyards, where the scent of incense drifts on the breeze, and the sound of footsteps on gravel echoes softly. The shrine grounds are dotted with ancient trees and stone lanterns, creating a timeless setting that invites reflection and gratitude. Take a moment to write your wishes on an EMA prayer plaque, or tie a fortune to a sacred tree. These simple rituals connect you to the traditions of Japan and offer a sense of hope and renewal, deepening your sense of peace. Or for a touch of modern relaxation, head to the Umeda Sky Building. This architectural marvel rises above the city, offering a blend of contemporary design and tranquil spaces. Inside, you'll find stylish lounges and quiet corners where you can unwind with a coffee or simply gaze out at the city below. Take the escalator to the Floating Garden Observatory for panoramic views of Osaka's skyline. The observatory's open-air deck lets you feel the breeze as you look out over the city's sprawling neighborhoods, rivers, and distant mountains. It's a breathtaking vantage point that puts the city's energy into perspective, reminding you of the beauty that can be found in both nature and urban life. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow over the city, you'll find a sense of peace that's truly magical. The sky transforms into a canvas of gold and pink, and for a moment, time seems to stand still. Whether you're watching from a park bench, a shrine courtyard, or high above the city, Osaka's relaxing havens invite you to pause, breathe, and savor the tranquility that lies at the heart of this vibrant city. No trip to Osaka is complete without experiencing its unique energy. And what better way to do that than by diving headfirst into the city's vibrant entertainment scene? Catch a hilarious and energetic performance at the Namba Grand Kagetsu, Osaka's most famous comedy theater. For a truly unforgettable experience, why not try your hand at making your own takoyaki? These savory octopus balls are an Osaka staple, and numerous cooking classes around the city offer a fun and interactive way to learn the art of takoyaki making. And for a touch of magic and wonder, visit the Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan. Home to a diverse range of marine life, including whale sharks and giant spider crabs, the aquarium is a fascinating journey through the underwater world. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. It means a lot to us and will help us to create more. As always, many thanks for watching and for your support. We hope you travel the world with a smile and become happy voyagers. Until next time, peace to all.